Hi everyone, it's Erin Paige, and I am so excited to share another GLAAL moment with you. Go live an amazing life. I have Alexis with Nevaeh Salon in Leawood, Kansas, sharing her amazing GLAAL story. Let's take a listen. Alexis, tell me and share with others a story, a GLAAL moment, go live an amazing life moment for you. Maybe where love radiated for you, or maybe it was a not so good moment, but you saw the good in it.
Yeah. So me and Erin have been friends forever. I always have related to her because we kind of operate on the same vibration, and I love that. It's kind of like I always call it like the it factor. And so it was interesting that she asked me to do this because I've had a lot of those love moments lately. I have had the salon for 11 years. It's been my pride and joy. It's the love of my life. And, we all get busy with life. And I feel like some of us get guilty of just like living to die, if that makes sense. Like we're just going through the motions, it's stressful. And so, like, during this time and this coronavirus and all this madness, like I really had to figure out like some way to ground myself because I'm so spiritual and I just operate on such a different level than most humans, truthfully. And so I'm an empath and I'm a healer, and I just felt so tapped out. I felt like I just I had to figure out a way to get grounded to get back into the game. So, on top of my personal life being kind of crazy, a couple of years checking out, um, I came here and I've spent like during this quarantine, like 60 hours cleaning. And I didn't realize what an impact it was going to have on me. And because this is my passion, this is my life, is hair. Like I am an artist, I love it. And so I cleaned for all this time, and when I got done, I like literally bawled the whole way home. And what I realized was is that this is what does that for me, like this place. And I felt good. Those were tears of like happiness and like letting go of just my last 3 years that were crazy. And I have to be here and be present for it to operate and be a good leader and a team. And I had like let it go, and just seeing the dust, the crap that had been building up, and that's what had been happening to me. And so doing it myself and not hiring it out to be cleaned and all that sweat, blood and tears, because I cut myself a couple times, I realized like this is my pride and joy. This is my baby, and I love it. And I'm back in the game, and that's love. That's self love that you have to make sure that you're staying grounded to carry on the self love inside of you. Because if you don't do things for you, you can't be present. You can't be there. And so the moral of the story is like do whatever gives you goosebumps, because those are normally the things and the people and the places that you need to be to stay grounded, and to be able to love yourself is to be able to love others. And if you don't have that, you have nothing. And this time has been everything for me with my family and what really matters. And that's what we all really need to focus on. And I think it all just kind of goes together after that, truthfully. And that's it. Peace.